Soil and water conservation in spice production. The global food security challenge is straightforward. The world must feed 9 billion people by 2050, by which time the demand for food will be 60% greater than it is today. And the only way this demand can be met is by making our agricultural sector more productive and by making sure that there is sufficient fertile soil and water available for farming. Soil and water are the two most important natural resources for agricultural production. Water is abundant throughout the earth, yet only 3% of all water is fresh water and less than 7/10 of fresh water is usable. Much of this usable water is utilized for irrigation. Soil and water conservation are activities that maintain or enhance the productive capacity of land in areas affected by or prone to soil erosion. Soil conservation is critical in preventing soil erosion and preventing reduced soil fertility, ultimately resulting in improved agricultural productivity. Apart from many natural factors causing soil erosion, human factors like overgrazing, overcropping and deforestation also promote rapid soil erosion, which lead to degradation and deterioration of the soil's physical properties and farm productivity. In this video, we will cover various methods of soil and water conservation. Conservation tillage allows crop residue to be left on the soil to reduce evapotranspiration and protect the soil surface from wind, sun, and the impact of heavy rain. By adopting this method, the water footprint of the crops is reduced by increasing soil moisture and reducing runoff and water contamination. These systems can improve soil quality, reduce erosion and compaction, increase surface soil organic matter and carbon content, and moderate soil temperatures. Crop rotation promotes growing different types of crops such as deep-rooted and shallow-rooted every season to make use of previously unused soil moisture as plants draw water from different depths within the soil. This helps in improving the soil structure and thus its water holding capacity. Some of the common sequences of crop rotation are green gram and black gram with coriander, carom seeds or turmeric, maize and pearl millet with fenugreek, cluster bean and cowpea with dill, carom seeds or coriander, dhencha with cumin, dhencha with fenugreek. Spreading manure or compost over the soil provides valuable nutrients to the soil through the process of decomposition, which raises the moisture holding capacity of the soil. Mulching conserves soil moisture by reducing soil evaporation and regulating soil temperature, which decreases irrigation demand during crop cultivation periods. Green manuring, in which plant materials such as peas, beans, rapeseed, dhencha, and other green manuring crops are grown with the sole purpose of adding organic matter and nutrients to the soil. Improved soil quality then also improves the water retention capacity. Deep tillage can help increase porosity and permeability of the soil to increase its water absorption capacity. Spices such as the turmeric rhizome gives the best result in deeply plowed soil. Contour bunding suited for sloping land in regions where the rainfall is less than 600 millimeters. The small bunds across the slope of the land on a contour promote water retention and help prevent erosion. Contour plowing, where the soil is plowed along the contour instead of the up and downward slopes in hilly areas. This helps in creating a reducing water runoff so that more water is retained in the soil and distributed equally across the cropland. Strip cropping, in which erosion-resistant crops such as groundnut, soybean, and main crop such as chili and turmeric are grown in alternate strips. Rainwater harvesting and recycling are important aspects of conserving water and minimizing runoff. Other ways of managing soil and moisture management include raised bund land preparation, micro-catchments, broad beds, and furrows. When these measures are properly applied, farmers can control the runoffs and thus prevent the loss of soil by soil erosion. This helps in reducing soil compaction, maintaining or improving soil fertility, and conserving water.